Okay, so with the assembly, I put all my pieces in here. You only needed one of the brass tubes. You could have copied and pasted it or placed it twice. That's fine. With the constraints, we're doing the constraints like we did for the cubes, but things are a little bit different now because we're not using the mate and flush constraints. We're focusing on the insert constraint. I found it to be easiest to hit the insert constraint first, so when you're trying to select the thing to line up, it's doing it more automatically. So when you select something, you want to pay attention to the green ring that's going to show up when you highlight a specific section. So let me find like this, the pen tip. If I have the green ring there, that's going to be the thing that's lining up with the other component. If I do it here, that's going to be the thing that's lining up with the component, but that's not what I want, because I want this to insert into the brass tube as per the assembly diagram that's in your packet. So I'm going to click on that green ring there, find one of the brass tubes, make sure I'm selecting the green ring on the bottom, so when I click on it, it's going to line up perfectly with that, and then I can say apply and move on. So that's kind of the tip I found to get things to work. Now, if there's something, I'm just going to use, let me see. So I can do this as well. I want the ring there to line up with the ring on the bottom here. It might affect your direction. You can do one of these two. If stuff's not lining up and you need to nudge it, there's two ways that you can do that. You can change the offset here, or if you've already done the constraint, if you go to that part, so this is my pen handle example, I can double click on that and I can put in a number. If I put in that number, it'll just shift it. If it shifts the wrong way, put in negative, and it'll go the other way. So that's if you need to nudge something. You might not have to. If you selected the right ring for almost every part, you'll be fine. This is more if like the pen tip, the ink part doesn't go all the way out. You might nudge it down a little bit just so it shows up.